One South Mississippi dermatology clinic has joined a national campaign to give a new start to cancer patients. The dermatology clinic in Gulfport is offering free radiation mark removal for cancer patients. And Dr. Angela Wingfield joins us now from the dermatology clinic with more on this new philanthropic campaign. And thank you so much, Dr. Wingfield, for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
And I think, well, this is something that just started in March, I believe, and they're trying to get as many doctors as possible on board. You have to have that laser technology. Tell us who this is for so there's not any confusion about it.
This is for patients who've had radiation treatment for their cancer. Could be any cancer that they have, but the way the treatments go, they mark your skin with permanent tattoos so that every time you come in for your treatment, the field is the same, so they can set the equipment properly. Well, after you've had your treatment, it's kind of a constant reminder that you had radiation, and sometimes they're visible. They might be on the face or the neck, and other people ask you about them because it looks like a really dark mole. But sometimes it's just for yourself. You know, if it's a breast cancer patient and they have several tattoos on their trunk, you know, every time they get dressed, it sort of reminds them that they're that cancer patient. And so we're trying to give people a new beginning. You know, we can remove those marks with tattoo removal lasers, so why not do it?
So it is the same technology that is used when people have tattoos they would like
Exactly.
removed.
So, you know, you have to be trained to use tattoo lasers, and we are at our clinic. We remove a lot of tattoos, and so this is just a way to sort of give back. We don't charge for these treatments, so it's completely free of charge to the patients who want to take advantage of the service.
And it's really, the radiation marks could be anywhere on the body, really,
exactly.
right? And
wherever
you'll treat them wherever
was.
if they want them removed, you all will fit them in and get it done.
Exactly.
And does it usually take more than one time to get rid of these
particular tattoos? It usually takes, with any tattoo, and there's no difference with these, it takes anywhere from 6 to 8 times. And so luckily they're pretty small spots, so there's not a lot of, you know, downtime or pain associated with small spots like that, but it does take several visits. The most important thing is they have to bring a letter from their oncologist or their radiation oncologist saying that it is okay for those marks to be removed. So most of the time they need to be in remission for a certain period of time because they want to know where the radiation field was if they need to use it again or go next door to it.
Sure. And why did you want to jump on board? Because, I mean, this is something you're doing on your own time, and it's free, of course, for people that want to come in and take advantage of it.
It's so easy to do something that we do all the time, give somebody sort of a new lease on life, you know. If someone's always reminded of their cancer, it's hard for them to kind of get a new beginning. And it's a simple thing for us to do because we're set up to do it, and so it's not going to add too much work to our day, so why not give somebody a new lease on life?
Well, that's great. And switching gears quickly in the few seconds we have left, it is the time of year again, especially when people need to be aware of skin cancer.
Exactly. We haven't had much sun the past 4 or 5 months, but we're going to get some soon. And you know, everyone needs to think about wearing their sunscreen and protecting their skin. But more importantly, they need to think about staying out of the tanning bed and doing some other things like that people sort of do this time of year to, quote, get ready for summer. Those are things that are really going to increase your risk of melanoma and skin cancer over your lifetime.
All right, Dr. Angela Wingfield, thanks so much for joining us, and I hope this program goes well and that people do take advantage of it and feel better about themselves.
Exactly.
Thank you.